Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Seekbar, and in order to do this I'm just going to go right here and leave a comment so that we know that we're setting up the Seekbar. And then I'm going to say Seekbar to get the element, and then we're going to use this set on Seekbar change listener, and then new, and I'm going to say Seek, and as I type you can see this on Seekbar change listener, and as I just hit enter, we have these three methods created, but we're going to be using only this on progress change method, and we just have to display the progress on our text view, because at this moment, as you can see, if we try to slide the Seekbar, nothing changes on this weekly savings text view. So as we just move this Seekbar over, we just have to make sure that we change also the text view. So I'm just going to show you very simple how to do this. We just have to first of all just say text weekly savings dot set text, okay, and I'm just going to leave a comment right here. We are just displaying the changes on the Seekbar. Okay, and so I'm just going to say right here weekly savings as we had it before, and then colon, and then backslash n to make a new line, number of dollars, or just the dollar symbol, and then the number of dollars will be given by this progress that we have right here. This is basically the progress, the current progress for the Seekbar. And also we have to calculate right now, calculate and display the yearly savings. And so I'm just going to show you in a moment how to calculate it. We're going to use a double variable, or rather we can just use an integer, and we're going to say we're going to call it total savings per year. Okay, and this is basically equal to the progress that we have right now, because the progress represents the weekly savings, and then we have to multiply it by the number of weeks in a year. And the number of weeks in a year is 52, but instead of just having 52, which is a magic number, doesn't tell us anything about what it represents, we're just gonna go at the beginning of our main activity file, just right here, and we're gonna set up this constant named final int. That's how you define the constant of type integer, and then we're just gonna call it weeks in 1 year. Okay, and we're gonna set it up to a value of 52. Usually only the constants are set up at the beginning right here as global variables. All the other elements, as you saw, we just declare them but not initialize them. Okay, so we're just gonna get this constant, and I'm just gonna put it, instead of having 52, we have weeks in 1 year, which holds the value of 52, and right now we know what we calculated. And we just have to display this on the screen, and in order to do this, we're just gonna get this weekly savings text, and we're gonna say set text, and as simple as that, we're just gonna rather than setting this thing up, we're just gonna say text total savings. That's the one we actually want to use, because that's the final result. And we're gonna say set text, and right now we're just gonna put this value over here, which is the progress multiplied by weeks in a year, and we called it total savings per year. Okay, so that's just added over there, and we're just gonna run the emulator to see what's gonna be displayed. We're gonna be waiting right now because the screen didn't reload. Okay, and so as we just move this slider, we just have an error, and that's because we still have something to fix right here. And that's because, as you can see, we're gonna check this set text function. I'm gonna show you how it basically works. As you can see right here, it says set text, and then it wants an array of characters over there. And as you can see right now, what we just passed is an integer. So that's why it just wants something that's a text, not an integer. So in order to make it a text, we're just gonna plus with a null string, and so then it knows that basically this is gonna be a text. So I'm just gonna run the emulator again. I'm gonna show you that it will be working this time. So we have to wait until, as you can see right here, Gradle is building the files, and we have the invocation finished. And so I'm just gonna slide this one. As you can see, as I slide over here, we have the result displayed. The only thing is that we didn't display also the number of dollars, so we're just gonna use the dollar symbol attached over here. And so at the beginning we'll just go and we're gonna put this dollar sign, and I'm gonna run the emulator again, and you will see that we'll just have this dollar sign put over there. So as you can see, we have it. Now the next thing we're gonna be doing is we just want to set up a maximum for this weekly savings, because it just depends on the yearly income of every user. And as we will type, for example, 16,000 over here, that user will be able to have a bigger amount than $100 per year, and we will calculate this amount in the next video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.